Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the drain hose on the Samsung washer. Let's get started. The most common issues that we see with the drain hose is it gets kinked, cracked, or punctured and causes a leak. To replace the drain hose, we'll start by accessing the back side of the washer. So we can access this connection here. You also need to make sure that this end of the hose is removed from your house drain. We'll start by pinching this clamp with your fingers and wiggling it back and forth. This is kind of tricky. And once you get it up here, you can release it. If you don't have quite strong enough hands to pinch it with your hands, you can also use a pair of pliers to help you pinch the clamp and do the same thing. With the clamp removed, grab onto the rubber part of the hose, slightly twist it while pulling back until the hose removes. If you have a bad drain hose and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. Also, the new drain hose does not include any hose clamps. You need to make sure that you reuse those from the original or order them separately if needed. To install the drain hose, install the rubber end over the plastic fitting on the washer. Wiggle back and forth until it bottoms out. Now, pinch the hose clamp and slide it back into place. Once that's done, take the other end of the hose and reinsert it into the drain on your house. With everything put back together, test the washer out to make sure that everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.